chloroplast, centrally located vacuole, and nucleus. So the organelles present in brown algae are plastids, centrally placed vacuole, and nucleus. So these are the organelles present in brown algae. Okay. Now the plant body is differentiated into different organs like a holdfast, that is like root, then stalk like stem, and then frond like leaf. So what I told, the plant body is differentiated. The plant body is differentiated into hold fast, stipe, and frond. Okay. Now here hold fast doing what? Attachment to substratum. So attachment to substratum acts like root. Okay. Then stipe act as stalk, or we can say stem, and frond act like leaf. Okay. So the plant body is differentiated into hold fast, stipe, and frond. Okay. Now if any brown algae is larger in size, because mostly they are having a marine algae, aquatic. Okay. So if larger in shape, so they contain air bladders so that they can maintain buoyancy. Okay. So what I told, the larger forms often the larger forms of brown algae often contains, okay, the larger forms of brown algae often they contains what? Air bladders. For what purpose? For buoyancy. So often contains air bladders for buoyancy in water. Okay. So air bladders also present for maintaining their buoyancy in water. Okay. Now, if we are telling that reproductive method, so brown algae also reproduces vegetatively by fragmentation. So here vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation. Okay, here which method is being utilized? Fragmentation. Now, asexual reproduction takes place by biflagellated zoospore. So, here asexual reproduction takes place by by flagellated means two flagella. Bi means two. So by biflagellated zoospores. Okay, and this you have to remember. Okay, biflagellated zoospores. Asexual reproduction takes place in what? Brown algae. Okay, and that are having what? Pear shaped. So which are pear shaped and unequal in size. Unequal in size. These two flagella are there. They are having what? Unequal in size. Okay. Now, sexual reproduction by all the methods. So, here sexual reproduction takes place by isogamous, anisogamous, or oogamous type. Okay, here sexual reproduction takes place by isogamous, anisogamous, or oogamous type. Okay, now if we are seeing their gametes shape, so here what happens? The gametes are pyriform. Already I discussed pear shape. So here gametes are pyriform. This term you have to remember. Pyriform, that is pear shaped. Okay, gametes containing here what shape is there? Pear shaped or pyriform. Okay, now if we are seeing that common forms of brown algae, so that is Ectocarpus, Dictyota, Laminaria, Sargassum, Fucus. For example, Laminaria, Fucus, Sargassum, Dictyota. Okay, so these are belonging to what? Brown algae. Okay, so Laminaria, Fucus, Sargassum, Dictyota, Ectocarpus. Okay, so these examples we have to remember. Very important. Direct questions will come. Laminaria, Fucus, Sargassum, Dictyota, Ectocarpus. What are the number belongs to brown algae? So here what the numbers is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like that questions will options will come. 4 are there. Among them what belongs to brown algae? So 4 are there, 5 are there, 3 are there, or none of these. Like that I have seen questions. Okay. Now sometime also asking from the diagram. So what the diagram are there? We have to see. Just for example, we'll see first brown algae laminaria. Now, if we are seeing that, now if we are seeing this is the figure of laminaria, same question will come In the examination, they will ask this diagram belongs to. Now, here, this structure is known as a frond, means leaf like. This is stipe, stem like. This is hold fast. It is what? Root like, means attached to substratum. Okay. Next example we will see fucus. This is what? Hold fast. Figure is fucus. Okay. Above forms are there. These are midrib. This is midrib. Okay. This is frond. And inside that, since it is a giant one, so air blades are there. This is what? Air bladders. For what purpose? Buoyancy. Okay. So this is the figure of fucus. Okay. So like that, if questions are coming, you have to give the answer. This diagram belongs to what? Laminaria. This diagram belongs to what? Fucus. So like that, questions are coming. Okay. In the next class, we'll see rhodophyceae or red algae. Okay. Thank you.